Hi, this is Judy Julin. I'm really excited to be here with Penelope Sullivan. We're going to talk about our upcoming parent and teacher series called Teen Tools and Hope. So Penelope, welcome. Tell us a little bit about yourself and how you and Beverly got started with the teen group.
Hi, Judy. We're so glad to be here. And let's see, it was in 2021, and we just really saw how the children wanted to connect with others. And we just began in our own individual communities, creating activities, and then joining with you, which was so inspiring, and getting these statewide and regional activities for kids.
I'm so excited. If you'd be kind enough to share your screen, we can show people. It's starting on March 7th. So we'll have essentially 10 individual lives with different people. Then we're going to have a teen panel. We've got Dr. Yendra Shen, who's talking about intuitive parenting, Dr. Tongle about gift education, unwrapping the gift within our teens. Myself, I'll be talking about frequency-based education and what our new frequency-based learning model could look like. Lainey Liberty is a good friend and colleague of Beverly, and you've actually worked with Lainey and been on some Zooms with her, right, Penelope?
Yes, she's such an engaging and dynamic person, and she really listens to the teens, I would say, and then from their perspective and working with their needs, fosters this very strong bridge with parents.
And we've also got Dr. Edith, and she's I think that we learned about her through the teen group. Could you tell a little bit more about Dr. Edith?
We did, and I love her, and she is a person, I really value what she's saying. She's saying, I believe, what exactly is education? And when we're saying this word, what do we want to teach our children? How do we want to support them? Is it possible to support them on a physical, mental, and their spirit? What inspires them and engages them? And really seeing what systems do work and what systems need to be tweaked, and really creating this network for parents and children.
And you know, when you talk about teens and having fun and engagement, there's nothing better than being outside, being in nature, and Nerf. And that's exactly what Sebastian brings. And have you been to his events?
I've met Sebastian once. We had an event in the Bay Area, and he was there. We didn't get to have one of his activities, but I've just heard that they're fantastic and very engaging and fun.
Leon Campbell Jr. is fantastic. He's from Agape International Spiritual Center. He's been a youth and family coach for over 18 years, and he's going to be talking about meeting teens where they are. And Penelope, I can't wait to hear about your Vital Child talk. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, we're going to really look at what does it mean to be healthy, and even what does it mean to be sick? You know, when we have a fever, what is our body trying to do? Do we want to work with that, or are we going to stop that? You know, what is the end goal? And really, how do we become robust and healthy in our lives? Then Anthony Asher goes along very well with that. He, brings in, what I love about this series is it's very appropriate for what's happening in our world today. And it's also very solution oriented. So he's working with EMFs. You know, we've seen this very going online quite a bit right now, and screens. And I think that is a big part of our reality. So how do we make that as healthy as possible?
Absolutely. And talking about screens, social media usage is another aspect that is really tied closely to mental health and addiction. And Bruce and Meg Lupin will be talking about that. And then we'll have the teen panel that's going to be really excited. We'll have questions and answers and really hear what's going on with them. So
I think that more than anything, we can all agree the last 3 years have been challenging. And these are people that have gone through that, have felt the overwhelm and the challenge, but they've picked up the pieces and they've had the capacity to create solutions. And they're very practical. Many of these people are parents and want to really make it very real and at the same time very inspiring.
Please join us. It starts March 7th at 7 o'clock Pacific time. Any parting words, Penelope?
We would love to have you. This is a very solution-oriented group of people, and we really want to create that network. I think some people feel that they're the only ones, and it's overwhelming, and they're alone. And we're really trying to create this family of people that can support one another.
So thank you, Penelope, and I look forward to embarking on this wonderful series with you.
Thank you so much, Judy.
Okay, bye-bye.